Hey, this is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and today we got this big, beautiful looking box from Tecno for a phone unboxing. And we generally don't do unboxing on the Mr. Phone channel. Recently we stopped doing unboxing, but this one was a very big box and it would be a crime to not do an unboxing of this. So Nitesh, tag along. Let's do an unboxing of this and let's see what's inside this big box of this all new Tecno phone, right? So let's get into this unboxing. This opens up quite easily. We have a flap here, and as you can see, the box is very beautifully, wow. So here we see some very beautiful pictures of some very beautiful girls, probably models. But yes, here is the Camon i2X. Tecno, you really need to step up your naming game. But yes, this is the all new phone from Tecno. And here you also get a personalized message from the CMO Gaurav Tikku. Now that's, I don't know how to take that out. Let's not take that out. We'll give you a close-up of that. I think you can see what's written on there. But basically what I can see is Har Surat, Khoobsurat. So probably that's their tagline for this all new Tecno phone. Now let me take that out. Tecno really does some very interesting packaging. They've been doing that for a while now, at least for the reviewers. Let me take this out. So I think you can see that there's a notch here. The box looks cool and all. You can see there are pictures, so we'll show you more beautiful B-rolls of this box. So let's keep this box aside and let's unbox our Tecno Camon iX2. So before getting into the box, let's see what's all written here. 13 megapixel dual rear camera. We have a 16 megapixel front camera. There is a notch display. We have 4 gigs of RAM. There's face unlock. There's fingerprint scanner unlock. And you also get some geo offers. Ask for your geo offer with this phone. So you get a geo offer with this phone. That's good for the Indian market. Let's open up the box. And what do you see? You see a camera? Okay. That officially is the most unique box, or the most unique way a phone has been ever presented to me in a box. There is a glass on top of the phone where a screen guard needs to be. So probably what they're saying is that I should look at my face and stop doing reviews altogether. So apart from that, let's go further into the box, and you get a case here, which is good. Everybody is including a case, and so is Tecno. You have information here with a 12 plus 1 months warranty. So you get 1 extra month than most manufacturers. Wow, so you get a micro USB cable, a very wide, a very standard micro USB cable, and quite a small power adapter actually. So I think you can see the rating on this, but yes, this is what you get inside the box of the Tecno Camon i, and you also get a SIM tool inside, as you can see. I'll have to get this out somehow. And there came out the screen guard too. That's a very, very weird way to unbox a phone, but okay. We have this. We have the phone. I think let's turn that on. So there is the phone turning on. At the back you see a very, okay, wow, this does look beautiful. This looks like a very good looking phone from Tecno. I think it's one of the best looking phones from Tecno that I have seen. There's a very shimmery, glossy looking back here. It's definitely not glass from what I can feel, but it's plastic. Good looking plastic although. So here is the Tecno Camon iX2 as it's named. And you get a notched display, the dual cameras, all the specs are here. So that was the unboxing of the Tecno Camon i2X. This is a notched phone. So the pricing hasn't been revealed yet, but you'll find that in the description below. And if a lot of people actually want to see a review, please let me know in the comment section down below. With that, we come to an end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and I'll catch you in the next one.